back another guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. Today guys, the cops have to get us. So today we're gonna go kill these bulls for once and all the cops haven't got, and we are done with them. We need to figure out to get rid of them. So let's go and let's get rid of them. So let's go guys. I'm about to go and we're gonna get rid of them. Let's go. I want them out of this world. We don't want them, so we're gonna kill them. Let's go. We got a new car already, so we're gonna get it and all that, so let's go. What's going on? What's going on? Oh, what the hell? Oh, what the hell? What's going on? What's going on? What the hell was that noise, bro? That is so annoying. Guys, we're going to call them myself right now.
I'm on the clock. I wish I could help you. Sorry, boss. I'm bringing by. Aight, I'll get back to work. Through to your garage. You, need me to bring you a ride? I'll get back to it then.
Oh my god, be quiet. Jesus Christ.
Morse Mutual. We're here to help. Okay.
What the hell's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Oh jeez, we're gonna go quickly. We're gonna go quickly. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Get out of my way, bro. They are not here. Where are they? What the hell is going on? I know we're there now, let's go. Let's go. Let's go kill this class. Let's go. Why the hell is it raining, brother? Get rid of it already. Is run our server, my bro? Oh, no. What's going on, bro? Let's get rid of it already. Let's get rid of it already. All day, bro. Yeah, that's for the video, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you next video, guys. Sorry about this. Bye.